Hey everybody, this is Ruben Restrepo, and today we're going to be doing the granddaddy of tie knots, the full Windsor. Okay, so the full Windsor is pretty thick right here, and so it really goes well with guys who are thicker, right? The thick neck, bigger guys, taller guys, because, you know, just proportionally, if you're a smaller guy, maybe you don't want to go with that. Also, you want to pay attention to the collar. If it's the type of collar that's kind of like this, full Windsor works out really well. But if it's like really narrow, not so much. Now, let's get into it. So, again, you got the longer version, the fatter version, and then the smaller version, right? So, thinner part goes on the bottom, thicker part goes on top. Then, just like the half Windsor, it goes up and through, right? And then it's going to go behind just like the half Windsor, but here's where the trick is. You're going to go inside, right? And so if we have a close-up, we have kind of like this little bit of a tie part here, tie part here, tie part there. And then now we're going to cross, and then we're going to go under, right? And then we're holding that loop, and then we're going to go through the loop. Now, as we're pulling it down, we want to make sure that this is right. And just like last time, you want to have that pinch so that we put the dimple in it, and then just start tightening it up. Bam, bam, see it? So, getting a little closer, it's a little bit uneven, right? Tighten it up some more. Okay, then I'm gonna pull it up, and then we're just gonna fold down our collar. Now, to really appreciate this tie knot, look right here. Do you see? It's pretty much straight on the bottom, straight on the top. This is all about symmetry right here. Now, I like to wear a vest with this tie knot. I actually just like wearing vests, but specifically with this tie knot. And so as I'm putting on this vest, you're kind of just able to see how the tie ends up looking. Now, I also have a tie clip. Goes right here. Now you can put it a little lower if you're not wearing a vest or anything like that. And bam, look at that. Super sharp, right? So this is the full Windsor. I definitely recommend anyone to use this one. It's a fun one. You know, there are a lot of people out there that like to say things like, this is the old man style. It's a classic style. If it's like something really formal, you kind of want to know how to do this one. And it's also really great for just diversity. If you watch Suits, you know, on USA that shows Suits, this is the knot that he always has. Actually, let me make sure I got my little dimple in there. Bam, bam, because that's what you see him do. Put the dimple in there, and that's what makes you look sharp. All right, that's it for me today. And the full Windsor knot, I will be doing some more, but I might do some different videos in the between. So thank you so much for watching. This is Ruben Restrepo signing off. So keep watching.